Hi everyone, welcome to Le Bay. This is Lin.
This is Nicola.
So today we would like to show you our company, Le Bay 未来我来. We are focused on the thermostatic measures, including the kitchen, bathroom, bathroom, sanitary ware products, and so on. So here is our history.
Elaine, could you tell me more about our history?
Yes, of course. Our factory is built in the 2013. At that time, we only have 1,000 people. Now it's in 2020. We're growing very fastly because now we are 12,000 square meters and we have over 300 people. So, how do you think our factory?
It grows very fast.
Yes.
And I know our factory in our history about 1,000 square meter before, and now we have 3,000 square meter now, and it's grow very soon and very fast.
Yes. In the past few years, we have over 30 parents, and including the appearance, the sanitary wares, and something like just like this. So next, we would like to show you our new items this year.
Oh, Elaine, this is our new product, right?
Yes. This one is the thermostatic type, and it's a shape design. We can see this is like a clock because this is inspired by our R&D team. It's just like a clock, and when we adjust the temperature, this clock can clearly show the temperature, what is it, and we can adjust what you need.
Yes, I think this is very convenient for us.
Yes. So, would you like to know more about our products?
Yes, I want to know the hand shower.
And
Could you tell me more details?
oh yeah, of course. This one is the ABS material, and we can see the chrome plating is very perfect. It's very clearly can show our mirror,
Yes.
just like the mirror.
Yes, I can see my face.
Yeah.
Very clean and very straight.
Yes. And this plate is the white color, and you can customize. You can customize matte black and just white, or we can choose the golden.
Yes. Every color you want, you can customize.
Yes?
And this is the push button.
Yeah. For adjust the functions.
Oh, yes.
And this nozzle is the PPR material, and it's very easier to clean, to anti-block.
Oh, can you show me the shower head?
Actually, the shower head and the hand shower is the same material. So it's also the ABS shape and the TPR nozzles. And I think the most important part is about the shape. So it's very convenient to put the shower stuff here.
Yes, when I take the shower, I also want to put the shampoo and some small things to the shelf.
Yes.
I think that is very useful.
Me too. So if I want to decorate my bathroom, I will choose the thermostatic measures and with a shape design.